Indian badminton player Laksh Sen ప్రస్తుతం మనతో ఉన్నారు. హాయ్ లక్ష్. సో అబౌట్ దిస్ టోర్నమెంట్ టెల్ మీ సంథింగ్.
It's a good tournament for us, and yeah, I think especially playing for our team. And yeah, I think all the best to all the teams who have come here, and it'll be a good match today.
Okay. And very hard luck to in Paris Olympics. Very much effort from your side. So what's your experience and tell me something about the Paris Olympics experience.
It was a good tournament for me. I mean, at the end, a little bit heartbreaking that I came so close and didn't get a medal. But overall, yeah, lots of positives to take from that, and yeah, just keep moving forward.
Okay. Presently, a lot from past some years, there is sports culture in India very increased. So what's your take on that?
Yes, I think as more badminton players, I think young players take up the sport. It's good, and yeah, at the same time, we also have to look at the next generation. Like, if young players do well, then for the coming years in badminton or in any other sport, it will be good for us.
And central government and state governments also very much encouraging all the games, especially KLO India, and some Telangana government also exposing the new sports policy. So what is your take on that?
Yes, I think the support has been there, and a lot of like the government, they're trying to support the players on the best possible way. And yes, I think it'll keep getting better in the coming years. And yeah, I hope like the players again make the full use of that. And yeah.
And what's your final message to the young buddy upcoming badminton players who choose career as a badminton?
I think just love the sport, play it because you love the sport, and yeah, if you love what you do, I think you'll succeed.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
యా లక్ష్యస్ అని చెప్తుంది ఏంటంటే ఇండియా గవర్నమెంట్ నుంచి కానీ స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్స్ కానీ స్పోర్ట్స్ కల్చర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో గత కొద్ది రోజులుగా కొన్నేళ్లుగా ఏదైతే బాగా పెరుగుతుంది దానికి సంబంధించి గవర్నమెంట్ సపోర్ట్ కూడా ఉంటుందో ఫ్యూచర్లో మరిన్ని విజయాలు కానీ మరింత మెడల్స్ కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉందని చెప్పి లక్ష్యం అని చెప్తున్నారు. కెమెరామెన్ రమేష్తో నరేష్, హైదరాబాద్.